Alright guys, here's a funny little situation I wanted to share with you all. So we just made it to the top of this hill climb. We're sitting here resting, and Mason was riding the SSR 250. If you're not familiar with it, low power, very heavy, hardest bike to do these hill climbs on. So we look back and he is just rev bombing this thing up this hill, and that's when I start to hear slipping. Comes pretty apparent to me pretty quick that it must be the chain slipping on the sprocket. But to make matters worse, when Mason gets to the top of the hill, he drops the bike. There's a perfectly placed rock that punctures the radiator. So now we have an SSR 250 with a stripped sprocket and a busted radiator spewing coolant. And the three of us don't know exactly where we are at the moment. So we had to kind of take some directions and head towards the closest road, keep the revs down, and hopefully we could get back to the truck without blowing this thing up. So enjoy.
What is slipping? Is there something slipping?
Yeah, something don't sound good.
I'm like a chain slapping.
Did you rip the teeth off?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh shit.
Oh no. What did you do? You gave it too much oomph and you ripped the teeth off the sprocket. Oh my god! It's just the SSR. Oh no!
Bust radiator?
Yeah.
If it wasn't bad, went from bad.
Well, we gotta find the quickest way back to the road.
I'd have to look on the map, you know? Well, I do not.
Dang.
A little bubble gum, be fine.
Hold this thing right.
He's rounding over.
At the front or the rear sprocket? Oh god.
Yeah, we better like, I don't know.
Yeah.
Oh my god, they're gone.
Yeah, but we're
Damn.
You might get tangled.
God, somebody get it. I got her up.
You should have heard it clicking the whole way up the hill. That's a bummer.
Well,
Did it crush a hole in the radiator or a tube?
Sad.
I know. Like if it had been up here somewhere, you could have just pinched it and saved a lot of time.
All that trash on it's caught up to us.
All right, you guys holler at me. Good to see you guys. See ya. All right, buddy. Let's see what we can do about getting out. Yeah. This ain't the way we came, was it?
Yeah.
Alright guys, well, we're on our way out of here. The SSR front sprocket shredded. Mason made it up the hill with it, and then he dropped the bike. He dropped the bike and it busted the radiator. So now we have a leaking radiator and a shredded front sprocket. And our guide, we weren't going to ruin his trip, so he's continuing. So none of us have a phone or a map set up on the bars or really know where we are. So we got some verbal directions. We're following this road to the next road. We got some creek water in the water bottles. Stop and top off the SSR. We need to. Do you remember which direction he said?
I think we go that way.
We're back on the road, which is a good start.
Wait, we come from there.
That doesn't mean that's the way we need to go.
I have no idea.
I thought he said, like, when you get up the split, bear right.